Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss about another function of Python, which is isqrt. Isqrt function is mainly used to calculate the integer square root of the given input value. So whenever there is a need to calculate the integer square root for a value, then you can easily utilize this function. To use this function, first of all, we need to import one module. So here you can see on line number 6, I am importing the module, which is math module. So on line number 6, I just imported it. After importing the module, you can easily utilize this function throughout your program. Now here you can see on line number 10, we are using the first scenario. So in first scenario, what we are doing, we are using isqrt function in order to calculate the integer square root for the value 16. So here you can see we have stored 16. So it will calculate the integer square root for this number and then store it into the result variable. After that, we are just printing the output. So to check the output, let me run this program, python space session 96.py, and hit enter. So you can see for the first scenario it is printing output as 4. Similarly, we are using the same method with different value on line number 15. So here I am passing the larger value, which is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. So it calculates the output for this and store it into the result variable, and then we are printing the result variable. Okay, so the equal integer square root value for this larger value is 35136. Okay, now look at the third scenario. In third scenario, we are checking it with the 0. So when you try to calculate the integer square root for the 0, the output would also be 0. Okay, so overall, whenever there is a requirement where you want to calculate the integer square root for the given value, then you can easily utilize this function. And to use this function, you need to import it. So here on line number 6, I am importing this module. So yeah, that's all for this session. I hope it is clear to all of you. In the next session, we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.